Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you Raksha Bandhan special steamed chana sandesh recipe. For making this recipe I have taken half liter milk. I will make fresh paneer by curdling milk with curd. You can replace the curd with lemon juice or vinegar. I have added 4 tablespoons curd. Turn on the heat, put the pan over medium heat and cook until it curdle. Gather the milk solids in a cloth. Take the 4 corners of the cloth in your hand. Then gather all the curdled paneer. Drain out the liquid from the curdled milk. Transfer the chena ball into a mortar. Flatten it with your fingers and then add a teaspoon sugar. You can mash it with your fingers, but I like to use mortar and pestle because whenever you will grind it in mortar, then you can easily shape it according to your choice. Now add a big teaspoon milk powder. Flatten with your hand until the milk powder well combined with the chana balls, and knead the milk solids until it forms a smooth dough like this. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add the chana ball and cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Keep stirring. Within 2 to 3 minutes the mixture will become smooth. Cook for another 5 minutes until the mixture looks soft and starts coming together. The chana should have some moisture and should not be rubbery. It's time to switch off the heat. Allow it to cool at room temperature. Then transfer it into a flat lid. Gently press with your finger until the bottom is set. Shape the sandesh according to your choice. I like to cut it into diamond shape like barfi. After cutting, put the lid upside down and tap to remove air pocket. Delightful chena sandesh is done. If you think this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe.